Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 2012 32-foot Boston Whaler Outrage cuddy cabin. This is a trade, a very rare boat, a very desirable boat. The boat has Mercury Verados on it. You can see all the metal is in white powder coat. It does have radar, outriggers, rod holders in the back. Boat does have underwater lights, white bottom paint. Let's go inside and take a look at this boat. As we enter the 32, you'll see it has a walk-through transom door. It does have aft seating. There are your 300 Mercury Verados. Tackle center aft with a grill, with a sink. Just come around the side. There is storage. This is a refrigerator. Seats with armrests. This boat has a 16-inch E140 Raymarine GPS. Has a 12-inch Garmin GPS fish finder plotter, smart craft technology, VHF radio, spotlight, stereo, electronic controls, remote for the windlass, your trim tab switches, push button start and stop, tilt helm. There is an overhead box with a remote speaker for the VHF, your breakers for your spreader lights, your map lights, your dome lights, USB ports. There are fish boxes on either side of the floor. Another refrigerator, storage on the side. It does have a marine head as we look inside, rod storage, a sink, batteries are underneath. There's your inverter. As we go forward, there's a sink area, remote for the stereo, and seating. Let's open up the cabin and take a look. As we open our cuddy cabin forward, we did find two new cushions for the seating forward, a full enclosure, hard plastic, easy to CY type material. We also found a sun pad for the front deck. The cabin, which is very spacious, has rod storage on the side, rod storage overhead. There is a hatch. There's storage under the seats, teak and holly floor. This cabin is air conditioned. It is dockside, cruise air. Any questions? Please give us a call at MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. This is our 2012 32-foot Boston Whaler. Thank you.